Cardano value equivalent to 5.6524 rands a coin. The present cost range, 5.5612, 5.7581. The earlier day close, 5.6748. The change was 0.0224. 0.39%. Backwards rate. ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, August 3. Cost 5.92 rands, high 6.33, low 5.51. Cardano conjecture on Friday, August 4. Cost 5.83 rands, high 6.24, low 5.42. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, August 7. Cost 5.80 rands, high 6.21, low 5.39. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 5.94 rands, high 6.36, low 5.52. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 5.99 rands, high 6.41, low 5.57. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, August 10. Cost 5.95 rands, high 6.37, low 5.53. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, August 11. Cost 5.95 rands, high 6.37, low 5.53. Cardano conjecture on Monday, August 14. Cost 5.92 rands, high 6.33, low 5.51. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 5.70 rands, high 6.10, low 5.30. In about 14 days Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 5.85 rands, high 6.26, low 5.44. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, August 17. Cost 5.74 rands, high 6.14, low 5.34. Cardano conjecture on Friday, August 18. Cost 5.67 rands, high 6.07, low 5.27. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, August 21. Cost 5.60 rands, high 5.99, low 5.21. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, August 22. Cost 5.78 rands, high 6.18, low 5.38. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23. Cost 5.62 rands, high 6.01, low 5.23. Cardano figure on Thursday, August 24. Cost 5.48 rands, high 5.86, low 5.10. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, August 25. Cost 5.29 rands, high 5.66, low 4.92. Cardano figure on Monday, August 28. Cost 5.19 rands, high 5.55, low 4.83. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29. Cost 4.86 rands, high 5.20, low 4.52. In about a month Cardano figure on Wednesday, August 30. Cost 5.64 rands, high 6.03, low 5.25. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, August 31. Cost 5.54 rands, high 5.93, low 5.15. Cardano figure on Friday, September 1. Cost 5.63 rands, high 6.02, low 5.24. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 4.60 rands, exorbitant cost 5.02. While low cost 4.36. The middle value of cost 4.67. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.69. Change for December 2.0%. Cardano gauge for January 2024. In the first place cost at 4.69 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.13. While low cost 4.45. The middle value of cost 4.77. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.79. Change for January 2.1%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at 4.79 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.66. While low cost 4.79. The middle value of cost 5.13. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.29. change for February 10.4%. Cardano estimate for WOC 2024. First and foremost cost at 5.29 rands, exorbitant cost 5.38. While low cost 4.68, the found the middle value of cost 5.10, Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.03, change for spring 4.9%, Cardano cost expectation for April 2024, first and foremost cost at 5.03 rands, exorbitant cost 6.24, while low cost 5.03, the found the middle value of cost 5.53, Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.83, change for April 15.9%, Cardano estimate for May 2024, in the first place cost at 5.83 rands, exorbitant cost 6.33, while low cost 5.51, the found the middle value of cost 5.90, Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.92, change for May 1.5%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at 5.92 rands, exorbitant cost 6.43, while low cost 5.59, the found the middle value of cost 5.99, Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.01, change for June 1.5%. Cardano gauge for July 2024. In the first place cost at 6.01 rands, exorbitant cost 6.06. While low cost 5.26, the found the middle value of cost 5.75, Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.66, change for July 5.8%, Cardano cost expectation for August 2024, in the first place cost at 5.66 rands, exorbitant cost 6.27, while low cost 5.45, the found the middle value of cost 5.81, Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.86, change for August 3.5%, Cardano gauge for September 2024, in the first place cost at 5.86 rands, exorbitant cost 5.86, while low cost 4.85, the found the middle value of cost 5.45, Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.21, change for September 11.1%, Cardano cost expectation for October 2024, first and foremost cost at 5.21 rands, exorbitant cost 6.39, while low cost 5.21, the found the middle value of cost 5.70, Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.97, change for October 14.6%, Cardano estimate for November 2024, first and foremost cost at 5.97 rands, exorbitant cost 6.49, while low cost 5.65, the found the middle value of cost 6.05, Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.07, change for November 1.7%, Cardano cost expectation for December 2024, first and foremost cost at 6.07 rands, exorbitant cost 6.60, while low cost 5.6